Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best exercise dices in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is SPRI exercise dice. Either solo or in a group setting, these dice from SPRI are a great way to boost your exercise regimen. Invite your friends over to your place for a quick session or fly solo for a unique workout at home. You can even bring these along to the gym if you're so inclined. One die gives you a workout option, such as jumping jacks and a myriad of other at-home workouts. The other tells you how long you perform each exercise, whether that's a certain number of reps or a period of time. You may get lucky and only have to do crunches for 30 seconds, or you'll have to really test your limits and go for 90. Just roll the dice and get to work. Use them for a quick jolt of activity during the day, or complete several rolls to create a full 15 to 20 minutes workout circuit. The dice are made out of foam, so they're soft to the touch. Plus, they come with their own travel bag, so even if you're on the go, you can effortlessly transport them. Why is it awesome? Ideal for group fitness. Numerous exercise options. Lightweight and portable. Number 2. Our second best pick is Series 8 Fitness Exercise Dice. This exercise die is a great fitness accessory for your home gym and is excellent for men, women, and even kids. It's also great for group training and fitness classes. The 12 sides provide an excessive amount of combinations, making exercising refreshing and demanding at the same time. It is made from soft, squeezable foam, is black with grey lettering, and is advertised for focusing on CrossFit and strength training. Whoa, what a cool way to spice up your workout! Who needs a personal trainer when your workout is just a dice roll away? Watch how it lands to see what exercise to do next. Keep rolling to create an entire routine from frog jumps to burpees. Can you handle them all? Made from soft, squeezable foam. Brand Series 8 Fitness. Material: 100% polyurethane. Number 3. Our third best pick is Kidnasium exercise dice. Designed for kids ages 4 and up, the Kidnasium soft foam 6-sided dice are the best choice for your little boy or girl. Movements range from crab walking to karate kicking to jumping jacks. You can roll up to 100 combinations, and its soft foam makes it the perfect material for kids. The Kidnasium dice are also available with exercise coins to help further accelerate gross motor skills, self-esteem, and social interaction. Kidnasium exercise dice for kids is a fun-filled, quick-moving rolling dice game with hundreds of combinations to keep kids' bodies and minds engaged and active. Beat those lazy days with a fun, energetic game to uplift children ages 5 at school, camp or at home with friends with hundreds of combinations. Kids will love this soft dice activity game with a variety of fun movements and repetitions to keep them happy and healthy. Games and activities will help to accelerate gross motor skills, social interaction, self-esteem in young growing children, boys and girls ages 5 and up. Exercise and movements range from crab walks, jumping jacks, toe touches, karate kicks, giant steps and more in 6 possible repetitions. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Series 8 Fitness 12-sided yoga dice. Using workout dice doesn't always have to lead to an intense, sweaty HIIT session. You can even use them to get started with other kinds of workouts like yoga. This yoga dice is perfect for beginners who want to learn and practice a few poses, but aren't quite ready for their first yoga class. This one's pretty straightforward. You receive a single 12-sided die with your purchase. Each side of the die contains a different yoga pose from downward facing dog to cobra pose. You may need to check out some YouTube tutorials to learn how to do each pose safely if you're new to yoga. Other than that, you can move from one stance to the next with just a roll of the die guiding your every move. It's fun, low pressure, and makes learning the poses enjoyable for beginners. Why is it awesome? Made of soft foam. 12 beginner poses to choose from. A great gateway into more advanced yoga practice. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is 4-pack exercise dice. This affordable dice bundle comes with 4 12-sided foam dice providing exercise options for literally everyone in the family, with 1 die dedicated to yoga poses. Your entire body will be challenged to the max with this awesome workout equipment because it's designed for you to reach your fitness targets. With exercises specifically designed for a unique purpose, Dice includes Hit Gold to get the heart rate up and fat burning. Increase strength and muscle definition. Yoga White for flexibility, healthier muscles and joints mobility. For that extra challenge, beginner to intermediate level exercises specifically designed for your goal in mind. Just roll the dice for an easy and fun way to ensure your workouts never get dull. Great way to motivate and bond with family and friends. Our dice have a detailed exercise manual with illustrations to ensure that the whole family will have fun with the easy to follow workouts. Whether you are at home, beach, or park, our mesh carrying bag allows you to take the dice anywhere. A great and easy way to get adults and kids off that couch and moving towards better health. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.